guys, what's up? I'm going to go over the drawing tip of the week, and I'm going to talk about how dark creates focus and kind of how to find a focal point within every drawing. So if you want to learn that, please stick around. It's going to be really quick, and that's it. Just listen. All right, so pay attention, let's get going. When you create focus in a drawing, usually focus has to do with where the largest, kind of the darkest darks meet the lightest lights. So right here, if I squint my eyes at this drawing, I'm squinting my eyes and I can see this dark, and then the darks in the eyes, and then darks in the nose, and darks in the neck, right? So that anchors kind of where you're looking at. It anchors where you're looking at in the drawing. And this is just a drawing, right? Obviously people do this in paintings as well, but you know, there's use of color there as well, focus and unfocused. That can be one as well within a drawing, but I like using the darkest dark meets the lightest light. So if I really want the viewer to look at a certain spot first, right, I'll really push the darks in that area, and I will bump it up against a really light, a large mass of white, right here being the eye. Although there is kind of white all over the place, you know, but generally I would leave that open. And make that super, super, super dark and sharp. Like I said, that's the other one. It's where also another way to do that would be to, like, the sharpest, meaning like the you know, the sharpest lines, where those appear, and maybe everything else a little bit more soft and fuzzy. You know, this drawing, pretty much the whole thing is sharp, so I'm using the darkest dark meets the lightest light. But yeah, that is pretty much how you find focus, and that's how you direct focus. So let's just say in your next drawings you doodle in your sketchbook. What I want you to do is I want you to think of that drawing and be like, okay, how do I create focus in this drawing? Where is the viewer going to look first? And the more you do that, the more you'll start kind of, it'll be like a muscle that you train, and you will be like, wow, okay, I found the focal point. Cool. So, you know, just kind of start doing that with drawings and see what you can make, you know, how that will help, and you know, really anchor the pose. Like I said, don't do wishy-washy drawings, you know. Thank you so much for listening. If you enjoyed that tip, give me the thumbs up. If you want more tips, let me know in the comments. As of right now, I'm going to do 2 videos per week, one lesson, like drawing, an actual drawing lesson, and then the other one would be like art advice. And that's it. Support the channel. Talk to you soon. One last announcement. I'm going to put how to draw ebook. It's going to be a how to shade ebook, and it's going to be in the description. It's really, really simple. If you've never drawn in your life, it's for you. It's how to shade, and I just kind of go over that, you know, and you should be able to start applying that stuff very easily. The idea is if you can shade 3 shapes, you know, in nature, if you can shade these 3 shapes that I talk about, you should be able to shade anything in nature. You really should. Everything is made up of simple shapes, and I go over that. So that's free as of right now. It's in the description. I might charge for it one day, but right now it's totally free. I've gotten a lot of amazing feedback on it. Thank you so much, everyone who has downloaded it, but check that out because it's free for the time being, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.